love, she said to me, my mother won't mind, and my father won't slight you for your lack of kind. Then she moved away from me, and this she did say, it will not be long, love, till our wedding day. Then she crept away from me, and she moved through the fair, and fondly I watched her move here and move there, and then home in the evening with one star awake.
Oh, all the money that e'er I spent it in good company, and all the harm that e'er I've done, alas, it was to none but me. And all I've done for want of wit, to memory now I can't recall. So filled me the parting glass, good night and joy be with you all. Oh, all the comrades that e'er I had, they're sorry for my going away, and all the sweethearts that e'er I had, they'd wish me one more day to stay. But since it falls onto my lot that I should rise and you should not, I'll gently rise and I'll softly call, good night.